Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So andito na naman si Jennifer mag-share sa inyo guys paibog. I have the tamales. So finally, nakagawa na po ng tamales. Last time, order from the store or store-bought ang aming tamales. But this time guys, it's from my kitchen. So ito ang ating tamales. Very pretty ang ating tamales dahil may colores. Very colorful ang ating tamales. So, tingnan na natin guys. Ooh, I will choose the pink tamales. So, nilagyan ko siya ng color dahil alam mo, wala namang mawala pag lagyan natin, di ba? Most of sa tamales sa internet kasi mga walang kulay. Danghag lang na. Oh my gosh, look at this tamales. Pink tamales. So, ayan ang ating tamales for today. Tikman na natin. Ooh. Come on guys! Let's have tamales! Oh my gosh! Alam nyo guys, mas masarap pa ito sa binili namin sa store. Oh my gosh! Ito ang pinakamasarap na tamales. Oh. Wow, this tamales is so yummy. How this tamales looks like, guys, it's how tasty my tamales is. Look at that. So welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. So, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ang aking tamales. Well, unang-una guys, kinulayan ko siya para gumanda ang ating tamales. Look at that, color pink, my color yellow, orange, and blue. Tingnan ninyo guys. Very colorful and very tasty. Wala sila guys. Filipino tamales is the best. It's very colorful. Nakuha na natin ang recipe guys, and now I will share it with you. Ano yung nilagay ko dito? Well, sa ating tamales, meron lang siyang, of course, sugar, meron siyang butter, wala siyang egg, meron siyang butter, sugar, butter, corn flour, meron siyang starch. If you have vanilla, lagyan niyo ng vanilla. Since wala akong vanilla, okay lang. And I only have a few of the corn hash. So, ang ginawa ko, I use this. And I use this. So, ito si tamales. Very easy, guys. You just pull this out. Look at that. How cool is that? My hash under it. And voila! Very yummy tamales. Oh my goodness, I have to share it with you. But first, let's have tea. So, yan ang ating tea. Yan ang ating tamales and tea. Kompleto na ating pasnacks ngayong hapon. Oh my gosh. Let's lagyan natin ng sugar. So, my sugar guys is stevia. Masarap ito siya guys. And maganda ito siya sa mga diabetic. So, take note. Buy stevia. Hindi ako sponsor guys, but stevia, pang coffee, pang tea. Masarap si stevia. So this time guys, ang aking tamale guys, it will take 4 days to finish. Dahil napakadami. Last time, oh my gosh, kumakain ako 4 ng tamale in one go. Gutom na gutom ako. Dahil umuwi kami dito, gabi na siya, and then we passed by. 3 hours kami nagbiyahe. We're just looking for tamale. Can you believe that? 3 hours. Napunta kami doon somewhere mga 45 minutes or 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Napunta kami doon dahil sa nila, sa website nila, andoon daw. Pagdating namin doon, hindi na pala. Ang nandoon is a bakery shop. So, bumili na lang kami ng, pero Mexican bakery, yung Mexican kakanin doon, bakery nila. Alam mo, napakalaki ng mga bread nila doon. Oh my gosh, napakalaki. Tapos ganito kahaba, 50-50 lang. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, kung talagang, hindi pa ako taba guys, banatan ko siya ng kain. Napakalaki. So, wala ang tamales doon. I forgot na ang aming HKD store, ang aming grocery store, may tamale pala. But, napunta kami downtown, naghanap ng mga, yung Mexican restaurant para makabili ng tamale. 3 hours talaga kaming umalis kami dito alas 4. So, traffic na yung mga estudyante, umaalis na, yung mga parents, bumalik na sa bahay, kaya traffic na pa downtown. Kiberka, 3 hours. Nagbiyahe kami. Pagdating namin dito, alas 7 na, gabing-gabi na. And ang suot-suot pa ni asawa ko, yung shade glass, kaming dalawa. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, pero tinesting ko yung glasses, yung shade, sabi ko, oh okay lang, isuot mo yan kaysa wala siyang glass, diba? Dahil gabi na, wala siyang dala. Otherwise, ako ang mag-drive pa uwi guys, gabi. Ayaw ko yung mag-drive pag gabi, Tapos, dala-dala pa namin ang maliit niyang sasakyan. Mabundol ako sa likod, mabuti yung malaki kong sasakyan dahil kung anong gagawin yung mga malalaki, hindi yun guys. Hindi yun basta-basta na mag-roll over dahil malaki siya So ngayon, meron na tayong tamales and marunong na tayong gumawa ng tamales, guys. Try my tamales, it's very colorful. Ito ang ating tamales. Come on, guys. Eat tamales with me. So this is a sweet tamale. It's not meat. I just mixed everything there. So wala kang makita na pineapple. Maybe next time, if I make a tamale, I just put chunks of pineapple. But taste pineapple.
It's very good.
Thank you, Jam. Yeah, my tamale is so good. Is my tamale good, Dad?
Yes.
Oh. Say it again. Is it good?
Yes.
Did you hear it? It's a big fat yes.
Big fat yes.
A big fat yes to tamales, and it is very yummy, guys. Well, I eat the pink. I think I need some more
Insulin shot.
for my insulin shot. For my insulin shot, tamales pa more.
What's
More.
Oh.
So thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. Try my tamale, guys. It's really good.